Freddy Krueger bust being printed. This model is freely available on Cults to download. It's the pre-supported model that I am printing here. The plate is now being lowered into the vat after the file being sent from the PC to the printer. I'm going to close the lid now because there's UV light coming through the window and I don't want to have the resin being set, so we'll come back a bit later and check on it. After selecting the correct files on the PC, now space the model out on the build platform. Just making sure everything looks okay before I send it to the printer. This option allows you to change the size of the model by just pressing up or down. As you can see, I've made the model slightly bigger to print. And then just slice the file. Then I clicked on network settings so I can send it straight across to my Saturn 4 Ultra. Click send. I fast forwarded this bit because I didn't want to bore you with the entire process of watching the bar going up. I'm going to pause the print a bit quickly just to make sure everything is stuck to the build plate. And as you can see, everything looks fine so far. Everything is stuck to the build plate. So I'll drop it back down now and we'll check on it a bit later. We'll come back now a bit later when it's on about 50% and we'll check on the progress. We're at 36%. We'll have a quick check to make sure everything's okay. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but everything seems to be stuck tidy. So we'll let it carry on and we'll come back a little bit later. We're at 77%. As you can see, the hand and the base is printed, no problem at all. We're just waiting now for the bust. But everything looks fine, fingers crossed. So I'll close the lid now, let it get back to it, and we'll check it now when it's finished. The print is just finished. The print is just finished. As you can see, everything is printed fine. So I'm going to put it on a drip tray adapter and just leave it drip for about half hour, and then we'll take it off the build plate. Try not to make a mess like I just did. We'll just let the resin drip off it now for about 30 minutes and then we'll come back and sort it out. It's been dripping now for about half an hour, so time to take the model off. Comes off really easy with these settings that I use. pop them into the IPA. Quickly check your build plate to make sure you don't have anything stuck on there, which I don't, thankfully. And then just give it a quick wipe over. Put it in the wash and cure station now for about 10 minutes. Let it have a good wash with IPA. This is the Freddy Krueger bust printed on my Saturn IV Ultra. Absolutely superb detail, printed with a mix of JO Standard and ABS resin. The detail is actually brilliant. All I got to do now is start painting my models, which I will start shortly. So if you liked the video, please leave a like, please leave a comment, subscribe, and hopefully I will catch you on the next one.